Hi friends, thank you all so much for coming back to craft with me, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Alyssa, and today I'm going to be reviewing this 6x6 paper pad that I got in the mail. It was sent to me by a company called BLEDS, and they sell on Amazon and AliExpress. So I'm gonna have their shop links listed in my description box if you want to check them out. They have various crafting items and paper, 6x6 and 12x12s, all gorgeous, different designs. So definitely check them out if you have a moment. And before I get into that, I do want to show you what we are making today. So I will put that aside and I'm going to bring in our little flip book that we are going to be making today. So this little flip book measures 4x6, so it's a cute little size. And I made this one Mother's Day themed, I guess, but you can obviously make it any theme you want to do. So I just hand wrote Happy Mother's Day on it, did my little dashed border and added some stickers there. I did ink up the edges a little bit as well with just some turquoise blue-green ink. And so we'll just open it up. And I've got a little journaling card washi taped to the side here that says thank you. I thought the colors of this really went well with the paper. And then I have two little flippy pockets here. So I just have a little label or journaling card and another one inside that says love makes this house a home. And then over here, I just have a little coffee dyed guest check that I cut up so you can write a note on there. There's some stickers up top as well. And then you have a side pocket over here. So I just stuck a little greeting card in there. And then over here, I washi taped another journaling card. I've got one long big pocket over here. Instead of doing the two flippy pockets, you can also do it just this way. So I have more journaling cards in there. And I added a little sticker there as well. And then just one more journaling card in the back there that says love makes this house a home. And that's just the back of my flip book. So to make this cute little flip book, you will just need some 6x6 paper. So I'm going to be using this paper pack that was sent to me. So this is the Violet Bloom paper pack. You get 24 sheets and there are 12 designs. And it looks like this is 160 GSM paper. So let's open this up. I have not even opened it up yet. I really wanted to do that with you guys. So here's the first design. This feels like nice quality paper. It's not really heavyweight. On the front it said heavyweight paper, but I feel like this is a little bit heavier than like printer paper. So there's some stripes. This feels very similar to paper packs that I have purchased off of Temu in terms of the weight. So if you've ordered paper from Temu before and you know what I'm talking about, that's kind of what this paper feels like. But the prints are absolutely gorgeous. I love anything floral, and I'm not really a purple person. I mean, I love all colors, don't get me wrong, but I really love pink. That's my favorite color. So I wanted to kind of just try something different. And purple is my mom's favorite color, so I thought maybe I would get this to make something for her. So there's a wide variety of all different prints. There's some floral, there's different geometric shapes. So this will be a great little paper pack for making our flip book today. So thank you so much to BLEDS for sending me this paper pack. It is gorgeous and I can't wait to use this in my tutorial. So let's go ahead and make one of these flip books together. So I'm gonna start by picking out 4 sheets of 6x6. So let's see. Okay. So here are my 4 sheets that I'm going to be using. And we're basically going to be scoring all of these at either 2 inches or 4 inches. So with this project, you really just want to keep in mind the direction of your paper and which way you want them to go in your little flip book. So I'm going to start with just these first 2 6x6 sheets. So I basically just want a 2-inch section here and a 2-inch section here so that I can create my little pocket in the middle. So for this one, I'm just gonna line it up here at the 6-inch side, and I'm gonna score this one at 2 inches. Busy print, so I'm gonna flip that over. So just 2 inches. And then I'm going to take this one here, and this one I'm gonna score at 4 inches. So 4 inches. And then I'm just gonna fold this score line over and then this score line over. Okay, so we have these 2-inch strips on our papers, and I'm just simply gonna glue it together to create my little pocket in the middle. So if you have single-sided paper like me, your cover is gonna be blank. So if you want to do those 2 flippy pockets in the middle, all you'll have to do is cut right in the middle of this strip here going this way so that you have 2 panels. So I'm gonna just put one of my papers on top of the other, and I'm just gonna slice right down the middle at 3 inches, stopping obviously at the score line here. So I'll put both of these just at the 3-inch mark there, and then I'm just gonna slice exactly where I told you to slice. So just like this, stopping at the score line there. And then we're just gonna glue these flaps together. So I'm just gonna take this one and pop my glue onto the edges here, just as close to the edge as possible. Oh my gosh, I think I had too much coffee this morning or something because my hands are so jittery right now. Okay, so I just popped some glue on both of those flaps, and now we're just going to mush them together with these flaps to create our little pockets. Alright, so this is going to be our cover here, and then we have our 2 little flaps on the inside. And I'm going to let this dry, and we're going to do the same exact thing to our other 2 6x6 papers. So go ahead and grab those, and I think I'm going to put them in this order. So I'm going to score this paper at 2 inches. Fold that over, and this one I'm going to score at 4 inches. By the way, I know that this little thing flips over. I'm just like too lazy to do that, so definitely do that if you have this kind of scoreboard, because obviously your scores will be a lot more accurate. But anyway, now we have these 2 flaps to create another pocket. So you can do those 2 flippy pockets again, or you can make just one big pocket, which is what I'm gonna do for this one. So again, I will just pop some glue on these 3 edges and just put these back to back to create my long pocket. Okay, so we have that all set. And now we're going to take the first one that we made and just attach these 2 blank sides together to create another pocket. You can have a side pocket or you can have a top loading pocket. That's totally up to you. I'm gonna do my side pocket, so glue these 3 edges down as well. What is up with my glue? All right. And then we'll just place these back to back. All right, so we've got our 2 flippable pockets, a pocket right in the middle, our other little pocket here, and that's our flip book. Now you can put a 4x6 photo just right on the covers if you want to do that, since this is 4x6, or you can cut out a 4x6 paper to use as your covers. It's totally up to you. I think I'll just pick out 2 more of these and just cut them down to put on my cover there. I think I'll do like 3 7/8 by 5 7/8, just so I get a good fit. So I'll do that for this one, 3 7/8 by 5 7/8. So let me just glue these on to my covers now. And then we can go ahead and decorate and fill this up. So this paper, I would definitely say, is very similar to the 6x6 paper packs that I got on Temu. So again, if you have purchased those kinds of paper packs, this is very similar to them. The colors and the patterns are gorgeous. They're printed nice and clear. And obviously all of the papers in this pack really complement each other. So now I'm gonna decorate. How cute is this little flip book? I mean, the paper just makes it so beautiful. So I just tied mine with a little purple ribbon. You don't even have to tie yours shut or enclose it with anything. I just thought it gave it a cute little touch. And I put a memories label on the front there. And here is my inside. I have a little journaling card that says, remember this. Got some purple flowers here and there. I just stuck the extra paper from my back cover inside of these pockets and made little journaling cards. So you can write memories on there as well. So those are my two little flippy pockets. I've washi taped a butterfly journaling card over here. I just stuck that same card into the bigger side pocket here. Love this life. I glued this down, but I don't think I meant to do that because now you can't journal on it. So at least it's like a little sentiment for someone to read, right? So over here is my other pocket, and I just stuck some other little journaling cards inside. This is actually a little watercolor flower that I painted, and I just cut it out, and I found it in my stash, so I added it to this flip book because it's purple. And here's my last page. I took the strip here from my front cover, the leftover strip, and I just turned it into a little belly band. So I've got this cute unicorn journaling card inside, or underneath, and I added Embrace the Journey just as a little decoration there. So that is it for my flip book. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I would definitely recommend this paper for little projects like this or even collaging. Go check out the BLEDS storefront on Amazon and AliExpress. Again, their links are listed in my description box down below. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel as well for more crafty fun and inspiration. And also say hi to me in the comments down below because I really love talking to all of you. I'll see you all in my next video, and until then, happy crafting, everybody.